Regarding the issue of balancing authenticity and innovation that provide justice and dealing and the well-being of society, I just would like to put short-term and long-term, and to see that transaction for us is not only muamalah, money to commodity and back again to money and then to commodity, but as a Muslim we have to see it as ibadah, which is our contribution and our service to the society, and will be regarded as our worship to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty. Number three, our dealings also a kind of da'wah, propaganda, not only to Muslim to see the beauty of Islam, but also to outsiders of this belief, because the non-Muslim will see the comprehensiveness of Islam as a way of life. It means we worship Allah in Islamic way, we perform Hajj in Islamic way, we manage our family in Islamic way, but again we seek our means of income also in the same way. It is integrated. Very rare religions in the world has this holistic system, and Islam, alhamdulillah, belongs to that one. Number two, short-term and long-term approach. And then before that, I have to mention about Indonesian experience. We have about emotional market versus rational market. Emotional markets mean spiritual market. People come to buy the product because of the spiritual values. And then outside there we have rational market, because you are better, you are cheaper, you are faster, the quality. Of course, in the beginning we have to give both. Okay, people will buy Islamic product because the product is good, the product is competitive and able to fulfill the needs of the society. But soon we lose what I call the heart share. Soon we lose the spirit. Soon we lose the philosophy. We go to that particular guarantee structure from the way back around, and then people will thinking, what is different? What is the things really you want to achieve and to arrive at? And then we will lose the philosophy of that. At the long run, it is unavoidable we will lose as well the market share. So in the beginning, we lose the rational of that, and then we will lose the emotional touch, because in most of the cases, the buying decision is not rational. It is emotional. We have one and two goods, same quality, same price. It is our emotional factor who decide which one we would like to buy. BMW and Mercedes, almost similar, but it is our emotional touch and our feeling which one we prefer to, because we cannot compare apple to apple. So Sharia thinks it is not only rational, but it has emotional contents as well as spiritual contents. With controlling the emotional and spiritual, we will have the rational market, and then at the end we will have the market share. But if we lose the emotional and moral, we will lose as well the rational, and at the end we will lose as well the market share. And in short term, yes, we can convince the investor, we can convince the regulators, but in mid and long term, people will laugh at us. You are only playing around. At the end of the day, you are approaching the predetermined return with guarantee, and with playing around the al-ayah and al-hadith. I just would like to end my thinking with, I think it is time as a moral obligation to give more attention to the lowest part of the society, which are the needy and the poor. When we see the product of Islamic finance and banking, in vast majority is dedicated to the middle class and upper level of the society. Talking about sukuk, for instance, yesterday I just discussed with Ashraf. In your experience, have you ever have any such succeed structuring sukuk for small and micro enterprises? I said it is enough only $1 billion to save our brothers in Burkina Faso, in Bangladesh and India and Indonesia, for instance. We developed such a sunduk istismar to help our brothers, and we can develop a product and a program better than Grameen, because Grameen Bank, it is good, excellent, but still contains element of interest. We can make something better than Grameen, where we can put inside not only financial approach, but also social approach as well as financial approach together. It is time to structure the sukuk for poor and small Islamically. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.